Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video. So I was so excited that this order came that I stopped doing everything that I was doing. I'm getting ready for company to come over tomorrow. I'm cleaning my house like a crazy person. And then I got the notification that this was delivered, so I ran to the mailbox and grabbed it. This order is from beautyinthebeadshop.com. So I found them through my friend Julie, who always has like the coolest beads from their live shows. And I know I've told you guys I'm not a huge fan of live shows because I don't have the attention span for it. But this live show, actually, I can stay engaged because Garnet goes really quickly and you know what you won right away. So that's like a big thing. They billed me by like an hour later, not even, and then mailed it off the next day. So I watched their live on Wednesday. I don't remember the date, but today is Saturday, and I got the box today. And then I think they have 2 shows a week, but I'm not 100% sure about that because I just started following them. And they had a show last night, and of course I shopped that one too, so I have another one on the way. But anyway, I'm gonna do this unboxing. I'm really excited to see what I got. They also have a website, so it's not just live shows. If you can't do live shows, that's okay. They have a website, but he created a special code for us, which is 25% off of any purchase you make over $25 off of their entire website. Like that's crazy, right? So anything over $25, you can get 25% off. So it's beautyinthebeadshop.com. Now the coupon code is beads2. Okay, I will put that, all the links, everything in the description box below. They have a Facebook page and a Facebook group. So I think you'll probably be seeing a lot of stuff from them going forward because we're about the deals, right? And they have some cool beads. So anyway, this is a heavy package. We'll see what I kind of like when you're in the zone doing these videos, or I'm sorry, doing the live video or live sales. I don't remember what I got, but so everything in this bag is $1.50. So I got 8 things at $1.50. I kind of remember this stuff. Okay, so I got some evil eye beads. Let me scooch. I don't know if I want to scooch in or if I want to get the light closer. There we go. That's better. All right, and I need to find a bead tray. Here we go. These are so yummy. You guys know I'm like obsessed with evil eye beads in the last month or so. Ever since I got those ones from Tierra del Lagarto. These are gorgeous. I haven't made that necklace yet because the last pieces just came in, so these might make their way into that necklace. Like I said, I'm behind, but this video is going to go up before others that I have filmed already. And then I haven't even filmed like a bunch of stuff. I'm behind. I told you. There's a poll in my group today. What video you guys want to see this weekend? Whether it was a Mother's Day blitz or the kits that I'm going to do for my live sale. I was always going to do the kits, the earring kits video, but that was the top winner, so that's what I'll probably be making tomorrow. Anyway, I'm sorry I'm talking so much. These are donut bales. So you guys know I love donuts. I don't think I have any near me right now, but you slip this through and it'll hold the donut for you if you don't want to use leather or whatever else, your wire. But these are really cool. So those were 2. Very neat. We have some colors. It's like every time I look at it, I think it's a different color. It's yellow green. It's green yellow. It's not green and it's not yellow. It's both. But I've never seen a bead like that in my life, and it's super cool. And these are just like their blowouts. Like they only have a certain amount, and then when they're gone, they're gone. I need more of these in my life. I'm going to have to Google these because these are amazing. They look futuristic, don't they? They're table cut, but they're wavy. They're just cool. I can't stop looking at them. I can't stop looking at them. They look like they're from 3021, not 2021. We've got some black and white beads. These might actually look really good with those evil eye beads and make a bracelet with them. I love them. They're matte. Very cool. More evil eye beads. These are bigger. Ooh, and then there are some like, are these blue? They're all blue. I don't know if those are ceramic or glass too. Oh, it's like a mix. Okay. Whoa, I didn't know that. Okay, so there's a big guy in here, big crystal. No, I don't know if that, I can't tell if it's a crystal or not. But it's cool. It's a nice faceted bead. We've got these tubes, and then we've got 2 different sizes of evil eyes. So we have 2 big ones, and then some more of the other size. Actually, these are still bigger. These are about the same size though. That's cool. I love that it's a mix. Things go fast when you're doing these videos or when you're watching these lives. And everybody wants the same thing. So these are some matte glass beads. So I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, but they're gray purple. They definitely have a purple tinge to them. I don't think it's showing up on the video though, but they're really pretty. They're soft. I love smooth, soft beads. Okay. Next I have the same beads, but in green. Yummy. They make me so happy. And then last of the $1.50 deals were these really amazing, I want to say they're recycled glass beads. I don't have anything like that. They remind me of my African beads, but I honestly don't know what they are. They're beautiful. Very yummy. Whoops. And let me see. Let me tell you a little bit about their site because Garrett was nice enough to include some information. Let's see. He said they have about 95 different off-round options on the website. They currently have about 25 glowing glass options on the website. There are 2 new categories. And he said that the products from the live video that I'm showing you probably or might not be available. So he included a couple things from the site that you guys would be able to find. So here's the glowing glass strand. I love these. I love these. They're called, like, I've known them as mermaid beads because they were wild about a year or 2 ago making mermaid bracelets. But I love that. And I don't have any in red. These are beautiful. They're 8mm? Yeah. These are really pretty. This one is called Cherry Red. Those are so fun. And let's see, what was the other one? Off-round Tourmaline. Ooh. So they said they have about 95 different off-round options on the website. That's an amazing amount of this shape. Guys, this is the deco shape that I love so much. And look at these colors. Ooh, I don't know. I think I have maybe 2 or 3 tourmaline strands, but nothing that looks as beautiful as this. That's gorgeous. I just love that it's so many different colors. So you could do so many things with this. You could make like 5 or 10 different projects if you want to just use a few beads, or you can make one project that would match quite a different amount of things. So like if you used all of these beads in one project, you could use it with a green outfit. You could use it with a purple outfit, pink, brown, maroon, gray. And I even think I saw like a pop of turquoise in just one of these. It was crazy. This is a really pretty strand. Yeah, there's a pop right here of turquoise. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Thank you, Garrett. That's really wonderful. Okay, so let's get to the rest of what is in my my sale items. This was, you know what? I don't know what this was. Does it have a name? Oh, it does. It says Frosted Red Aventurine. don't think I have any frosted aventurine, and that wasn't the price. It was a closeout price. That's why they do them in the video and the live videos. Sometimes they have stuff from the live on their website, but this was a closeout, and I love it. I love it. I have a couple things that this will match. It's yummy. And then some hematite. I just loved the presentation of these because they're like rainbow, like pale pastel rainbow. Isn't that fun? Beautiful. And I don't know if they have those on the website. That's why you have to catch the live videos. You never know what you're going to get. It's kind of like one of Nina's sales. You never know what you're going to find. This is beautiful. I love it. One other hematite strand. And this looks way better than it did even in the sale, and I really liked it in the sale. I don't know I think it's kind of getting a little washed out under the lights, but it is multicolor. So we have yellow, we have some pinks, we have some blues and greens, along with like the silver of the hematite hishis. They're so cool, and they're flashy. I got some hematite yesterday too that I want to show you guys. Yummy. Okay, and then the rest I think are all stones. I have 2 more strands, but I also bought a lot of chips, and I don't know that I have a ton of chips. I don't use them a lot, but I want to start using them as spacers in some necklaces. This one I thought was really cool. I haven't seen little cubes like this before. So it's either magnesite or halite. I never know the difference, and I don't really pay attention when people say things. I'm just like, ooh, beads, bye, right? So these are gorgeous. I love them. Those are pretty. I want to use those on something. I want to use all of these on something, but we'll see what that will be in the future. I don't remember what these are. I can't remember. But they're yummy. Maybe carnelian? I'm not 100% sure, but I really like how those two look together. It was so funny. Yesterday I was shopping with Julie, of course, because that's only thing we do now these days, I guess. And I showed her 2 beads, and I was like, don't these actually look, I was going to buy them, and I wasn't going to buy them to use together. I was like, oh, these would work together. And she looked at me like I was crazy. I was like, oh, you should trust me more than that. You know I do crazy combos. Anyway, off topic, as usual. Let's see. We have more chips. And I think these are $3 a strand. Let's see. I can't remember. Maybe Amazonite? Possibly. Dyed Amazonite? I'm not sure. Or it could be tree agate or moss agate. I can't remember. I can't remember it. Now that seems to be more likely because it's more green. And I think I remember them saying that. Let's see if I can get it a little. Yeah, I can't. But anyway. I think that was really pretty. It is more green than turquoise or Amazonite. That's not a word either. Next we have some, I can't remember if this was sodalite. I know they had sodalite and lapis, but I can't remember which one I ended up getting. Yikes. I think I don't know. Maybe I think it might be sodalite, but it's pretty no matter what it is. The white is throwing me off. I want to say it's lapis, but I'm not seeing any flash in it. But that doesn't really mean anything. I don't know. It'll be a mystery. Maybe Garrett can tell me. And then we have, I got a rose quartz set, and I'm sure I've had these in the past, and I'm sure I got rid of them in the past, but what is old is new, as they always say. I think actually Julie might have said that to me recently, but it's true because stuff that I haven't touched in 10 years. I'm like, oh, that's back in style now. Thank God I don't get rid of beads most of the time. So anyway, those are really pretty. And then I got some Peridot. Yummy. I don't really have a lot of Peridot, if any. These are teeny tiny chips. This will be wonderful spacers. Yummy. I think this would look good with some tiger eye. Tiger's eye? I never remember if there's an R or an S on there or not. And then the last chip strand I got were these garnets. Very dark garnet. And they're beauteous. I love them. I was not a huge fan of garnet for a while, but my mind has been thoroughly changed in the last couple years. So I just think it's really beautiful. Anyway, all right, so those are all the chips. And then I think I have a couple more. I think this strand was $8. And it's Jade, Lemon Jade Serpentine. I like that they labeled that. I just really liked how fresh it is. You know, yellow is the color, one of the colors of the year. This is not yellow. It's like, it's that lemon lime color again. Would you look at that? They match. This is just a little, not as neon, but they really do match. Yeah, it's that lemon lime, yellow, green color again. It's really pretty. I saw it and I was like, oh, kind of need to have that. And then last but not least, I absolutely needed this strand. And I think they said it was mustard jasper. And it's definitely like a brown mustardy yellow color. It reminded me of Mookaite, which is also a jasper, I think. So I grabbed it. I really love this color. That's, now that you're seeing it a little bit more closely, that's the color that it really is. Back here it looks a little brown, but it's a yellow. It's a yellow brown. So I am pleased as punch with this haul. I am super excited that there's an awesome coupon code for you guys. What were my favorite things? Definitely these. Everything. These. Oh. And then this gift that Garrett sent to show you guys. They're called Off Round on their site. I've seen them as deco cut on other sites, just in case that's what you're more familiar with. But they have, did it really say 95? 95 different off-round options. Guys, check them out. You can get 25% off. Uh-oh, I might have to go make a purchase. I already made 2. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Let me know what you thought. Check out their Facebook, their website. Let me know if you guys make an order. Tell them that I sent you by using Beads2 as your coupon code. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye-bye. You're waiting for dinner, huh? Yeah, you want some chicken? Yeah. Yummy. Goldie loves chicken, right? Say hi, everybody. She's very concerned. Say hello. You're so cute, Goldie.